Alright guys, we're gonna go and do, I just did the company vehicle. Now I'm gonna go and do Little Red. We're gonna do Little Red. Alright. Let's remove snow from Little Red. Alright. So you could start from anywhere you want, but maybe I start from the front or the back. So I push it on one side. Yeah. This side first, and then whoa. Let's do it. This. That's for now. So that's good enough for now. You know, nice and clean. Move all that snow. Everything is now you could see red again. You know. Yeah, something after you clean, you still get a little bit more. You just go back and just. It's not a big deal at this point. Yeah, at this point it's not a big deal. Everything is fine. Government is happy. They're not gonna stop you. The police not gonna stop you with this. But if you have a big pile of snow on your vehicle and turn to ice, it could be deadly to other road users, you know, as the ice is plunge. I think I'll give Little Red a little start off, and they haven't picked up the trash yet. So that's it, guys. You see, Little Red is clean. But she's not going anywhere in a hurry. I just wanted to clean her. And this is the neighborhood. Let me see. Yeah, we walked down that block, the first snowstorm. So I don't think I'm necessarily going to take a walk on that block again. We did that. We made the block on the opposite side last time. You know, as you can see, this is all we got in the neighborhood. Some fluffy little snow, which is gonna melt very quickly. Yeah, let's look at the tree right here. You see the white stuff. Go down, take a look down the road. The road is clear. The road is nice and clean. This time, because this thing is melting pretty quick. It didn't come with too much water, so it's pretty decent. Yeah. So that's it, guys. See you guys on the rebound.